Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. What we got up here today is a white oak log. We're maxing out the mill. It's 20 foot 6 inches. Customer dropped these off. He needed some 20 foot 2x8s for trailer decking. Needless to say, by the end of the day, Matthew and I were tired of handling 20 foot long 2x8s. They are quite heavy. I tried 4 degree on these and ended up going back to a Wood-Mizer Turbo 7 saw blade. They cut better, perform better. We buy those from Joe Main Industrial Cutting Tools. Give these guys a call if you need any blades. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate all you do. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back at the mill.